What's up, y'all? I've got another tip to share with you. This time it is on the Schlage Encode or the Encode Plus, because they're basically the same thing on the inside. The problem comes up with sudden battery drain, like within a couple of weeks, or the keypad just stops working all of a sudden and then starts again, just back and forth. May not work some days, may work some days. A locksmith in the U.S., Vorsai, came up with this tip, so I asked him if I could share it with everybody, and he said sure. So we're going to call it the Vorsai tip. So turn it around on the inside, swoop off your battery cover, and look at it, and you may notice it's got a lot of weeble wobble, and that weeble wobble, in essence, could affect battery drainage and intermittent working. So basically all you have to do is go to your storage room, find an empty box, cut a little 1/2-inch strip of it off, swoop out your battery pack, put in fresh Energizer or Duracell only, non-rechargeable, no Amazon batteries, no Walgreens batteries. And if you look on this side opposite the batteries, there's this little arch area. So we're just going to cut a little strip about that wide to fit up in there. Boop. Just like that. Now, I kind of thought of something else when I was doing this video, and this is a tip from like the late 80s, early 90s, and the contacts could probably be cleaned a little bit, and you can clean metal contacts like that with a pencil eraser. And this is how we clean the contacts on our cordless phones. You put it in the base to charge overnight, and if it wouldn't charge, you could come along with a pencil eraser and just erase it. That gets all the icky stuff that might be on it, oil, grease that might be on it, makes them clean. So now we're going to take the batteries, we're going to take our shim, kind of shove it up at the top right there, put our batteries in, battery pack in, okay, like that. Make sure the shim's like there at the top and push down, and you will see there is no weeble wobble for the battery pack anymore. So that is probably an excellent tip. Thank you again, Vorsai, for letting us show it. And it may or may not fix the problem with your Encode or Encode Plus. If it doesn't fix the problem, there's absolutely no refunds on this video. If it does fix it, then great. You saved a $300 lock with a piece of cardboard. Anyway, thanks again, Vorsai, for letting us show this tip. And as always, catch you next video.